So here at my local club, we use the Har-Tru clay court maintenance sweeper. This is the Aussie clean sweep 4-foot model. Now the reason we use this instead of the brush, because this moves less material, displacing it, and it also has these pointy little arrow ridges that you put in the upright position so that as you sweep, we have trees surrounding the courts, and this picks up all the debris as you sweep. It lifts it off the clay surface and puts it on top of the sweeper, and you can shake it out at the end of a swipe or a few runs, and you're actually grooming the court, and you're picking up debris from leaves and sticks and whatnot. So this is what we use. I highly recommend it, and it's a good product.